you still trapped in your cage? Am I still bound by my chains? Is the world stopping dead in its tracks? Let me show you how to break out now. Crush the stones of fate into atoms in a way you've never seen before. Inside the chaos of gray, dry all the way. Search for your crimson, it will be your guide. Feeling all that you feel, knowing just who you are, you'll see a new world and we'll make it ours. Fighting gold, deep in my rumbling blood. There is something like the grains of stardust in the sky. My soul shines, a light that never will fade. From under any wreckage, fly higher than the gods. A force of nature, I'm phenomenal. Fighting gold. Tell me, are you really free? Tell me, am I really free? Is the world frozen right in its tracks? Let me show you how to kick off now. Crush the doors of fate into atoms in a way you've never seen before. Between the sky and the sea, blue as can be. Search for your crimson, it will be your guide. Being just who you are, knowing just what you are, to see a new world and we'll make it ours. Fighting gold, deep in my blood lineage. There's a cascade, idle passion flows through space and time. My soul shines, a light of high resolve has promised in my body. I'll fly higher than the gods. A force of nature, I'm phenomenal. Fighting gold. So sharp the rain keeps falling down on me. Fighting gold, deep in my rumbling blood. There is something like the grains of stardust in the sky. My soul shines, a light that never will fade. From under any wreckage, fly higher than the gods. A force of nature, I'm phenomenal. Fighting gold.